Hi, my name is Dennis Grifonia. Welcome to how to install the Brocade BR-825 drivers on ESXi 6.5. This video will take about 5 minutes, so let's start. I'm starting this video with another one I did a few years ago using the same Brocade fiber channel network card with ESXi 6. And here a picture of the BR-825 network card I'm using in my home lab, connected through the Brocade 300 fiber channel switch using StarTech fiber optic cable. I'm updating the same video for ESXi 6.5 as I've seen that something has changed during the time. A possible reason why we have now a dependency error is because the Brocade 825 is now a QLogic 825, so we have to go to the VMware website and download the newest drivers. What I'm going to do now is to upload the offline bundle zip file to a local data store in this ESXi 6.5 server. On the previous video I've used the shell to enter in maintenance mode, so for this one I'm going to use the graphical interface. I've also reported the correct VMware knowledge base for the ESXi software VIP command to use. And we are now near the end of this video, so the QLogic 825 network card adapter is now successfully connected to the Brocade fiber channel switch for all my 3 nodes in the VMware ESXi 6.5 cluster. So thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel or let's keep in touch through my website for any kind of request. Bye!